Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular project management and invoicing software for freelancers and small businesses. I know that a lot of you are interested in using HoneyBook, but you're probably wondering about the cost. So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, how much is HoneyBook's processing fee? Before I get into the specifics of HoneyBook's processing fee, I want to take a moment to talk about what HoneyBook is and why you might want to use it. HoneyBook is a project management and invoicing software that helps you keep track of your clients, projects, and finances. It's a great tool for freelancers and small businesses who want to streamline their workflow and get paid faster. Here are some of the key features of HoneyBook. Client management. HoneyBook makes it easy to keep track of your client's contact information, project history, and payment information. Project management. HoneyBook helps you create and track project timelines, tasks, and budgets. Invoicing. HoneyBook makes it easy to create professional invoices and get paid faster. Payment processing. HoneyBook integrates with a number of payment processors, so you can get paid directly into your bank account. Now that you have a better understanding of what HoneyBook is, let's talk about the cost. HoneyBook offers 3 different pricing plans. Solo, $39 per month. Premium, $79 per month. Team, $199 per month. Each plan includes a different set of features. The solo plan is the most basic, and the team plan is the most comprehensive. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, HoneyBook also charges a processing fee for each payment that you receive. The processing fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. So, how much does HoneyBook cost in total? Here's a breakdown of the costs for each plan. Solo, $39 per month plus 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Premium, $79 per month plus 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Team, $199 per month plus 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. It's important to note that the processing fee is only charged when you receive a payment from a client. If you send a payment to a client, there is no processing fee. Now that you know how much HoneyBook costs, you can decide if it's the right software for you. If you're a freelancer or small business owner who is looking for a way to streamline your workflow and get paid faster, HoneyBook may be a good option for you. In this video, I've answered the question, how much is HoneyBook's processing fee? I've also provided an overview of HoneyBook and its features. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching.